There is no difference between Nami and Nama. Follow my language? Huh? Follow? No. Nami means Krishna. Nama means name of Krishna. Alright? Huh? Abhinnatvam Namo Namina. There is no difference between the name of Krishna and Krishna himself. Isn't it? Huh? Is there difference? No. No difference. Nama Rupa Vigraha Tina Chidanandamaya. Tina Bhedo. The name of Krishna, the Vigraha of Krishna, deity for installed by Vaishnava, Vigraha and Krishna himself. There is no difference between the three. Three are transcendental, isn't it? Three are transcendental. So, Bhinnatvam Nama Namina. There is no between. There is no difference between Nama and Nami. Krishna and his holy name. So Krishna is Nami and name is Nama. Do you understand? Nami, Nama. No difference between Nami and Nama. But the latter, Para, is, do you understand, more merciful than the former. Do you understand? Latter, former. You understand my language? Nami, Nama. Nami is former, Nama is latter. Follow my language? So latter is more merciful than the former. That means name is more merciful than Nami. Follow my language? Name of Krishna is more merciful than Krishna. This is, though there is no difference. Similarly, there is no difference between Gaura Leela and Krishna Leela. But Gaura Leela is more merciful Leela than Krishna Leela. This is the difference. Alright? Gaurangera Madhur Leela, Jar Karne Pravesila, Hridaya Visuddha Bhelota. Gaurangera Madhur Leela, Jar Karne Pravesila, Hridaya Visuddha Bhelota. Gauranga bolite hobe pulaka sarira. Hari Hari bolite nayanu bayanira. Uttering name of Gauranga, whole body becomes ecstatic, hairs and body are erected because he is Hari himself. For chanting the name of Hari sheds tear. With premasra. This is the tears of love. He teaches us. With this love, feeling thanks or separation from Krishna, you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You understand? Kabe tava nama grahane bhavishyati. Nayanangala dasudharaya gadgada ruddhaya gira tulake nichite vapu kada tava nama grahane bhavishyati Mahaprabhu. Oh Lord, when this condition will be? By chanting your holy name, tears will roll down from my two eyes like torrential rains. My voice will be choked up, the faltering voice. Gadgada ruddha yagira. My whole body will be ecstatic. Ulakini chitir vapudir. Hairs on the body will be erected out of love. When? Kodatava namagrahani. When by chanting your holy name, this thing will come to me. This is the symptom of love. Prema lakshana. Do you follow? Yes. Yes. Bhakti yoga dhana. Bhakti Krishna nama smarana kirtana. Smarana krandana. Chaitanya Bhagavata says. Bhakti yoga dhana. Bhakti Krishna nama smarana krandana. You understand? Smarana krandana. Thinking of the name of Krishna, one cries. Krandana means cry. Do you understand? This is bhakti. Do you understand? This is invaluable asset. Premadhana. Do you follow? That Premadhana Gaura gives. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu Leela, transcendent Leela, very nice, sweet, nectarian Leela. Somebody is fortunate, it enters into his ear, Hridaya Nirmala Bhelatha. Heart will be completely purified.